Hi, everybody. This is Larry. I'm up here at the Northeast Oakville High School. I got my little drone, the Neo, following me. And the good thing is the new firmware update, I can talk you through my watch. So this is my first time flying my drone through my watch. So let's have a little tour, see what happens. Okay, as I said, it's very cold. Today is minus 23 on the wind chill. There's some doors. We got some doors here. Good to go. So these are the front offices I'm in. I must tell you, it's very cold today. So here comes, we're coming into the cafeteria to my left. So that's, see what the wind's like in here. So this is the cafeteria. Let's see, here's the gym to my left. Let's see if I can get into the gym. We'll go right into the gym. As I say, I'm talking you through my watch. Well, this is pretty cool. This is great for construction progress. I can walk through and show everybody what's happening. So now here I'm in the gym. Let's see if we can get him a little higher. Up a little higher. There we are. So he's going to follow me around the gym. It's about a foot of snow in here. Got the metal deck on, as you can see. So that's good news. So I'm going to bring the drone down a bit and get through this door. Come down, down, down. Yay. He's down. We're coming through the doors now. Supposed to have obstacle avoidance. Oh, Kobe came through. I can hear him. Here's the middle courtyard. So, as I can say, the guys are working well. It's cold today, so it's not much work on the outside. Okay, gang, I'm going to put this guy up, put him over, all by hand gestures. Okay, I put my hand out.